As a third important step, we're going to install Maven in our system. One way to know if it's already there is to try to call Maven. Just call it. Okay, it's not there. So let's install it. In fact, we don't install it. We basically download it and just put it in a folder. So we can go to maven.apache.org and from there to the download section. And then here it says the requirements. We already have the JDK from previous steps. So let's get the zip file. So it's going to be easier to unpack in our Windows system. So I'm going to put this zip file somewhere there and then go to that folder. Now this is a zip file. I want to unzip it. So unzip it somewhere there. Doesn't really matter. And once I see everything is unpacked here, I can just get rid of the zip file. Don't need it anymore. Now this is where it is. This is where Maven is. Now the thing is, if I try to call Maven now, I still cannot call it from the command line because I have to add it to the path environment variable. So let's do that. I will have to go to environment variables, and this one, the path one. Now I can do it at the level of the currently logged user or at the level of every user. So I'll do this one because just to have it a broader scope. I can go to edit this one here. The bin subfolder is the one that I'm interested in. So I'll go in there. I'll copy this whole path over here. And I'll just add it here. Boom. Okay. Add it to the path folder. So now I can just close all of this. Go to CMD. Now if I do again Maven, it's going to be calling this Maven that we see here. Of course I didn't pass any parameters, so then it's kind of like saying, hey. So okay, tell me what version are you? This is Maven 3.8.1, which is the one that we installed here. So cool, we're done with that part. Now if you want to really make sure Maven is working as we want it to, really test it, let's go and download a Maven project from the internet. Let's say we go to GitHub /loginguru for my own GitHub and take one of these test assignments that I have here. This one was made, it is a Maven project. I still haven't installed in this system any Git client, but doesn't matter. We're going to download the zip file, just put it somewhere and then extract it. So here are my files, including my POM. That means this is a Maven project. So let's go to my here to the command line, go to that folder, and here I could do a Maven test. So this is going to read the POM, download all the dependencies that are defined in that POM file. It's going to put all these dependencies in a local folder, which is going to be located inside our C drive, usually users folder, current user, .m2 folder. So in here is the Maven repository. All of these packages are downloaded from the Maven repository and are used for this project in particular. So now here we see here we see everything is running. These are some tests that are being run in Chrome headless mode. That's why we're not seeing anything, just a console output, but we see it passed successfully, meaning everything's running. So this means Maven is already available in the system and in our command line. Done. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and go to qualityclassroom.com.